Hello everyone, as promised, here is a quality test of BigPassport mic for all the YouTubers. So what you're listening now is just the mobile mic. There is no extra mic, so I haven't connected yet. If you see it, I haven't connected yet. So this is the box packaging. So if you haven't seen the unboxing, the previous video will be the unboxing. So please make sure you watch that video. Also the link in the description in order to buy this, okay? So first, I'm just gonna put 7. So there's a volume control here at the bottom. So I'm not gonna like test the volume control because all the bloggers minimum has to be 75% of volume. So I've just kept 75%. We're gonna test the echo. Okay. So I'm gonna connect this now. Ready? Okay, so now you're hearing from the mic 0% of echo. So let's increase the mic to 25%. So now what you hear is 25% of echo. So let's increase to the 50%. So now what you hear is the 50% of echo. So let's increase to the 75% of echo. So now you're hearing 75% of echo. So this is how it looks like if it's 75% of echo. So let's increase to the complete 100% of echo. So now what you're hearing is complete 100% of echo. Perfect. So now I'm going to come back to 0% of echo. We're going to test the volume. Now what you listen is 50% of volume. Now it's the 75% of volume, which I used to use as a default. I never touch less than 75 or more than 75%. And now it's completely 100%. So this is how it looks like if it's 100%. So I'm going to come back to 75%. So hope you like this video. So in case if you want to purchase this, you're going to check the link in the description and you're going to purchase this. There's only a limited stock. Quality is good. There is no issue with the quality. Build quality is good. You're going to check the unboxing of the previous video, as I already said. You have on and off button. You will be able to connect your headphones, and you have a wire. You will get the connector in order if you want to connect to type C mobile phones. In case you can connect USB. So if you're a YouTuber, make sure you invest some money in this because all the customers who is watching your video requires the good quality of sound. So make sure sound plays an important role in all the YouTube videos. So make sure you invest. This is cheap and best. So you can just check the link in the description. You'll be able to find the lowest price and genuine product. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. So till now, what you're hearing is 75% from mic. Okay. Bye.